Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Here we have an absolutely gorgeous 2024 Audi RS6 Avant, 5,000 original and documented miles, perfect history, clean and clear title, perfect Carfax. This was traded in Miami at the Lamborghini dealership on an SVJ. No paint work, 23-inch VOSSEN wheels all the way around, Darwin Pro, carbon, side skirts, rear diffuser, front valence, rear spoilers. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful car. Very highly optioned as well. We do have both original keys, window sticker, books. So I will say the camera, when it hits these seats, lightens up the color. So if you're actually looking at this in person, it's a much darker color. You can almost see how the camera, when it first focuses on it, it's more to the true color, and then it just has a tendency to lighten the color up to make it look tan. which is a very, very dark brown, which is actually beautiful in person. But the inside is truly 100% flawless. All the accessories from the factory are inside there. There's not one thing that's missing. You can see how it just lightened up. This car at night is gorgeous too, with all the ambient lighting. Of course, you can change all the colors, but there's lighting everywhere. Guys, before we do our drivability part of the video, I just wanted to show you this black paint directly out in the sun so you can see just how beautiful the condition is of the paint as it's been polished, ceramic coated, everything. But you see absolutely zero swirl marks, beautiful, beautiful metallic in the paint that you can't see inside under the fluorescent lights. But just a beautiful, deep, deep clear. The carbon really pops outside in the sun. I mean, just a breathtaking car. Exhaust is on quiet mode right now, but even literally direct shot in the sun on this rear quarter, it's just absolutely beautiful, beautiful paint. Black cars in the sun typically look terrible. As you see, not the case here. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Presence, big presence on this car. Still has the plastic on the cluster. We'll leave that off for the lucky buyer. I'm sure many of you guys have seen the speakers if you've owned an Audi, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the car off real quick. And it's unfortunate that we're shooting this during the daytime, because this car at night, with all the lighting everywhere, it has lights in areas that you don't even think of, because a lot of it's in the aluminum trim. And I'll tell you, it's absolutely amazing. Let me throw my seatbelt on. How well this car drives with the 23s and the low profile tires. Car literally still smells brand new. road tracks, which is usually very, very bumpy, extremely smooth. And most of the exotics we have to slow down to about 20 miles an hour right there. Try to get some night shots of the car. Probably one of the prettiest cars I've been in at night with all the lighting. But car is just absolutely, literally 100% perfect. There's not a blemish on the inside. Dual roofs, Alcantara headliner, pillars, beautiful carbon, both keys. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to contact us, jd@davisautosports.com. Also, if there's anything you want to add to this car, just please let us know, from performance parts, PPF, etc. We'll be more than happy to give you guys a quote. Thanks for viewing and have a good day.